headed out. I think we're going to a car show. Are we going to a car show?
Oh, that's awesome.
We went to the kart show, then we went to the park for just like 20 minutes, and now we came home, we rested, and I'm making some dinner. So for the kids, I'm gonna throw these in the air fryer. So yummy. I'm gonna pop these in there and they can have some french fries with steak. I think that's easy peasy. I made carne con chile. Well, at least I tried. My dinner. Now I'm gonna make some espresso for me and my hubs. So beautiful. Never done it before. Now. Yum. Cheers. Oh my gosh. That's so good. I'm gonna make overnight oats. Peasy breakfast. Bad boy. And then easy peasy. Kids love them. Perfect for breakfast. Now I put them in the fridge and they're ready to go for tomorrow morning. Give the kids a bath and then we're gonna call it a night. But I wanted to give you a mom tip. So my kids would always cry because it was so cold getting out of the shower. So I got a towel warmer. And not only do we throw the towels in here, but we throw in their jammies. Wait, honey, this is not.